as you've seen, I've just torqued up all the bolts from the rear subframe, all the arms next up, so I'm just doing all the finishing touches. Inner wheel arches back in, all the clips, mud flaps. Right then guys, that's the car all complete. All I need to do now is a quick tidy up. Big thanks to Darren for letting me use the ramp over the weekend, so just in favour, you've got to clean up guys, it's just respectful. Yes, your eyes are right, I am using a Dyson to hoover the floor. Remember guys, work smarter, not harder. watch this baby. So, how guys? So, finished off doing the rear subframe and the focus. As you can see, it is complete. It was kick-ass long weekend. Me and Dave started on Friday, about 5:30, got out of here about 8 o'clock. We hit it all day on Saturday, and I'm still here on Sunday. But it was all worth it. It looks absolutely mega. A lot of work, a lot of preparation. I started prepping, getting parts for this in February, and it's just been a long road. Got to get into alignment at some point next week, hopefully. Although I did put it back to where it was originally, but it still needs alignment. Next up, I need the front subframe. Just need to get the bushes from Ford from that, and some poly bushes. And that's pretty much done. So yeah guys, it's been a long weekend. Please subscribe if you can. Really mean a lot. New channel growing. Well, hopefully trying to grow. And some exciting things to come as well for this car. So stay tuned. So peace out guys.